The London is Open campaign claims that London is a place where discrimination will not be tolerated and where cultural diversity will be celebrated. According to West and McAllister, advertising plays a prominent role in the political economy of the media and in the way it shapes and constrains its message, as well as people's view of the world. A group chose the London is Open brief as we thought this brief raises important issues regarding promotional culture, consumerism, and cosmopolitanism in the new liberty market. Although London is full of different races and social classes, whether the differences between social groups are embraced in the city needs to be considered. In order to approach this brief, we have adopted different methods such as interviews, content analysis, web analysis of social media, as well as data scraping and data visualization.
At a first glance, the London is Open brief aims to welcome people from around the world, as it is a place where true diversity is celebrated and discrimination will not be tolerated. However, after further research into the campaign, we have discovered that London is open predominantly for business. The campaign targets wealthy international people and urges them to come and do business in the financial capital of the world, as this raises numerous issues not only about diversity, but about the neoliberal ideology which shapes our lives. Our group chose to analyze the brief by contesting the campaign's notions of openness, diversity, and globalization. Eid argues that for the transnational elite who congregate London, diversity is mainly experienced through consumption. In this context of neoliberal cosmopolitanism, liberal values such as equality, recognition, and openness become subject to taste, aesthetics, lifestyle, and consumption. As neoliberal ideals of free market stress the commodification of every aspect of our lives, it is not surprising that people are increasingly treated less as citizens and more as clients or customers.
For our first method, we did data scraping on Twitter. First, we looked at the London is Open analyzed roughly 703 tweets from around the world. Here we found that the majority of people have a positive outlook regarding the campaign. However, numerous tweets were sent by the mayor's office and the mayor himself. Next, we based our search on keywords London and diversity. These results were different from our search before, as more people expressed negative opinions towards this issue of diversity in London. 56 items showed negative sentiment out of 253 tweets. In addition, we found that the most used hashtags are related to the fields of economy, gender equality, and employment. These tweets discuss issues of discrimination in the workplace based on gender and race. However, this method has its limitations. For example, our findings may not be completely accurate since we only gathered a small sample of tweets. Another problem we encountered is that some of the tweets scraped contain images which we were unable to see. We were only shown the code of the picture, and therefore we were unable to identify whether their message were positive or negative. Based on our own research, it can be concluded that the campaign focuses more on the economical advantages of the campaign rather than celebrating true diversity.
By using the content analysis, we want to find out people's attitude towards the campaign and what the public major opinions are. We have carried out the analysis on YouTube comments, and we will continue the analysis on news website comments. One interesting thing is that the comment function of 14 out of 17 videos uploaded by the Mayor Office London, which were put together in the London is Open playlist, was blocked. The same situation applies to other videos uploaded by the London government and organizations. Our YouTube analysis is based on a sample of 4 videos about London is Open. They are uploaded by 4 media agencies: the UK-based global news company BBC News, the US-based global news company Bloomberg, the Canada news company The National, and also a London local TV agency ITV London. We found that 64 of 98 comments are negative. Among those negative comments, 23 of 64 think the mayor has a bad reputation, mainly due to his Pakistan nationality. 19 of 64 people don't think London is open for developing countries, and there also exist voices that want the London government to put local people into the priority. 11 of 64 believe that the campaign is designed on economic purpose. The results show that the majority of people are questioning the campaign, and this leads us to ask, if the campaign is not aiming to celebrate diversity, what can we do? Some comments indicate that misunderstandings and racial stereotypes are the main problems. However, to find out these stereotypes is not what we can achieve by simply using the content analysis, which we think is the major limitation of this method.
In order to find out existing stereotypes, we combine content analysis with interviews, according to Bauer and Gaskell, compared to quantitative research, which use statistical models to define overall trends. Qualitative research is regarded as soft research, which focuses on interpreting social realities. As Matcham suggests, qualitative research aims to discover the range of opinions and the different representation of the issue. We have started the interviewing process. By interviewing Londoners and foreigners who live in London, we hope to find out how stereotypes shape the environment by constructing people's views and behaviors.
In response to this, our group will create a campaign that actually celebrates diversity among the common people, and not just for the wealthy middle-class cosmopolitan people. In order to get a better understanding of people's opinion and feelings on the campaign, we will continue the content analysis on Facebook and news website while conducting more individual interviews. As to better show our findings and the campaign, we would like to make a website and a video which challenges the way different people are presented through stereotypes in the media. The video will be uploaded on social media, which could help us to monitor people's reaction and gather useful data. Based on the data, we will analyze it and draw our final conclusions. Our aim is to uncover the ways in which discrimination and stereotypes can take place without people being aware of it. In addition, we hope to expose the stereotypes and inequalities in the campaign while trying to spread a positive message and reduce misunderstandings between Londoners and foreigners in London.